Okay, welcome to this part of the tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about how to debug your code by attaching to your process. So if this is not working for you, make sure you go to your setup PyCharm and there's a internal server error. And make sure that the when you're debugging, make sure that you have completed these steps. Edit the file here and change the scope from 1 to 0. What this does, it allows you to attach to processes, and that's very useful. So for example, over here I have already changed it. When you're doing this, you probably need to do sudo if you have permission issues. Next thing we have is, you run this. Now how do I attach to your process? For example, I'm going to run the entire software code by using the ROS launch soccer bot and soccer navigation soccer bot multi.launch. Now I'm running the entire software, but I realized that I want to stop the code somewhere in the strategy. So if you go here and you want to stop the code somewhere in the loop, you can go here. There's a while loop here. You just put the breakpoint here, and then you go run, attach to process, and then type in the name of the node. So it's the main.py one, and then you have hit the loop. If you don't know the name of the process, you can do ROS topic, ROS node list, and then ROS node list grep strategy. What grep does, it checks all of this and finds the one that has strategy, and then ROS node info. And then when you do this, you can ignore all the stuff on the bottom here, and you can see that the PID is there. So for example, you can just attach the process, and you can just type in the PID 282102. Yeah, it's the same thing. And then now that you hit this breakpoint, I can use the step in and step over. Basically, these are the two you want to use. I can have another breakpoint if I want to jump to that point. If I have some information that I have doubt, I can click here. I can look at whatever information that there is. I can find out the current status of the ball. This is 0-0. I can check this current status of I can even run functions. For example, this robot function will get me the robot, and from there I can see information about the robot, where position it is in, and the status of it. And that's it on attaching to processes. Please use this tool as much as possible to learn to your advantage. Thank you for listening.